Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm your host Joya and you are watching my channel Joya Tech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to get ISO 16.1 Developer Beta 3 at your iPhones and as well as iPads. Apple has released its ISO 16.3 Developer Beta for its beta users. So if you don't know how to get it, then keep watching the full video and follow the simple steps. After that you will all know how to get it. So let's get started. Just go to your default Safari browser and in the search bar type here developer.apple.com. Now scroll it up. As appears on screen, you can see iOS 16. Just tap on it. At the right top, you can see a download option. Just tap on it and get your profile. After downloading your profile, just go back, open your settings. As appears on screen, you can see profile downloaded. Just tap on it. The tap at install. Enter your passcode. Again tap at install. Then go back. Scroll it up. Tap at general. Tap at software update. As appears on screen, you can see ISO 16.1 Developer Beta 3 is available to download and install. Like this, you can easily get your ISO 16.3 Developer Beta at your iPhones and as well as iPads. I hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, please share it to your friends and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you have any other question, please comment me below. Thanks for watching.